Hello everyone! Want many cool anime items?
Yes!
Then watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Shout out time! Anyways, let's dive into the video.
Let's go.
Join Anime Outfits Design. The game is simple. For every 10 minutes you stay in the game, you get 1 medal. And if you away from keyboard grind, you can get the UGC. It's that simple. And open the free UGC, you can see the available anime items. If you are a premium user, you earn 2 medals every 10 minutes. Let's grind for UGC.
Yeah, boy.
You get these cool anime items for free. Next, join UGC Steal Points. The game is simple. You just have to steal other players' points like this. If you don't want to lose points, then you can save points here. You can spin here and get time points. If you don't want to play, you can go here and away from keyboard grind. You will get these cool anime hair and hammer.
Oh my god!
Next, join Defend the Zombie Invasion. You get points by just staying in the game. Join their group to get free points.
Okay.
If you see here, you see that these are all the cool available items they have in stock. I am surprised to see that they have these many cool UGC for free. The best part is you get points even if you leave and rejoin anytime soon.
Oh my god!
Let's grind together. These are all the free items you get from this game. You definitely don't want to miss out these items. Next, join Superpower Simulator Chakra. Once you are here, go to this blue guy and get the quest. And train 10 times. I don't know why I was getting crowded up. Once you are done with the task, go to the blue guy to get the item. You will get this cool mask. There is one more item you can get. Go to this big guy and get the quest. Here, train 2000 agility. I recommend you using an auto clicker. Once you are done with the quest, go back to the demon and get you free item. You will get this cool black cape for free.
Nice.
Join this game. Here, you have daily limit that you can only dance 20 times. And if you have friend in the server, you get 15 dance token instead of 5. Once you get enough tokens, you claim these one by one. You gotta unlock the previous item before proceeding to the next. This is one of the items you get from that game.